According to the CEO of Bugatti, there's only two places in the world that are able to repair a crashed Bugatti. And only special technicians that are able to actually disassemble the vehicle and take out the engine. Well, you're standing in the third place in the world, and we have a very special technician here with us.
I'm ready for this. I am ready to prove people wrong.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I think we can do it.
Not that bad. A little bit of a small project.
It's looking better already.
All right, let's get started.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit.